Hello, friends. Welcome to Library Facts. In today's episode, we will talk about a significant topic that has revolutionized the world of libraries and digital repositories: Dublin Core Metadata. Dublin Core Metadata is an internationally recognized standard for describing digital resources like documents, images, videos, and websites. It provides a structured way to organize and retrieve information efficiently. Let's explore it in detail. Let's start by understanding what Dublin Core Metadata actually is. Metadata means data about data. It helps organize and make data understandable. What is metadata? Metadata is data about data. It describes the content, quality, condition, and other characteristics of a resource. For example, for a book, metadata includes the title, author, publisher, and publication date. For a digital file, it may include file type, size, and creation date. Now let's talk about its history. Dublin Core Metadata was first introduced in 1995 during a workshop held in Dublin, Ohio, USA. The objective of this workshop was to create a simple and universal metadata framework to better organize and access digital resources. Key contributors. 1. OCLC, Online Computer Library Center, played a vital role in developing Dublin Core Metadata. 2. Dublin Core Metadata Initiative, DCMI. This is an international organization responsible for maintaining and developing the standards and guidelines of Dublin Core Metadata. Dublin Core Metadata consists of 15 core elements, known as the Dublin Core Element Set. Let's take a look at these elements. 1. Title, the name of the resource. 2. Creator, the person or entity responsible for creating the resource. 3. Subject, the main topic of the resource. 4. Description, a brief description of the resource. 5. Publisher, the entity responsible for making the resource available. 6. Contributor, others who contributed to the resource. 7. Date, the date of creation, publication, or modification of the resource. 8. Type, the nature of the resource. 9. Format, the file format of the resource, e.g. PDF, JPEG, MP4. 10. Identifier, a unique identifier for the resource such as a URL or DOI. 11. Source, the source from which the resource is derived. 12. Language, the language of the resource. Relation, links to related resources. 13. Relation, links to related resources. 14. Coverage, information about the spatial or temporal coverage of the resource. 15. Rights, information about the copyright and usage rights of the resource. Let's now discuss where and how Dublin Core Metadata is used. 1. Digital libraries. Dublin Core is widely used in digital libraries to classify and make digital resources searchable. 2. Websites and digital repositories. Websites and digital repositories use Dublin Core to organize content and enhance user experience. 3. Educational institutions. Universities and research institutions use Dublin Core Metadata to organize their research works and publications. Benefits of Dublin Core Metadata. 1. Simplicity. Its framework is straightforward and easy to use. 2. International recognition. It is a globally recognized standard. 3. Interoperability. Enables data sharing and access across various systems and platforms. 4. SEO-friendly. Dublin Core Metadata helps improve the search engine ranking of websites. Dublin Core has transformed the world of library and information science. 1. It makes finding resources faster and easier. 2. It organizes digital libraries more effectively. 3. It ensures users get instant access to the information they need. Despite its simplicity, Dublin Core has some limitations. 1. Too general. Lacks detailed metadata for specific domains. 2. Limited precision. May not be sufficient for highly specialized collections. 3. Requires standardization. Effective use depends on consistent implementation. Dublin Core continues to evolve to meet the needs of the digital age. With growing adoption of technologies like AI, machine learning, and linked data, Dublin Core is expected to play a vital role in building smart and interoperable information systems. Dublin Core Metadata is a powerful tool for organizing and accessing information in the digital era. Its simplicity, flexibility, and global recognition make it a cornerstone of modern metadata standards. Did you find this explanation helpful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts for more such informative videos. Thank you.